Well, I haven't started at all. But...
No, what you just said.
Oh, well, this is the hard part, getting in here to get a starter room. In this case particularly because it's got this
radiators
here and they didn't take it. So I got to tear out a row and I can't do it right against the wall. It's got to be... So I got a seam here. Just trying to get into a seam. Or two.
I've been told by people in the past that they'll have anywhere from a 5 to 20% waste, but very rarely is it 20%.
Yeah, this is probably working out to closer to 5.
Your crowbar would help too.
I personally endorse the famous Stanley Wonder. Normally that would have popped up, but it's under the wall. So we'll have to wait for it to pop up here at the seam. So we'll hope it does.
Still usable.
Yeah, and the only reason that one busted out is because I couldn't get the other end up because it's under the wall. But it's a long one. I can cut 5 good feet out of it. And by the time you get it that far. There she goes.
Well, we thank you for allowing us to videotape you starting.
Our pleasure. Don't step on any nails.
Thank you, and have a great day.
Thanks.
I started, I thought, there's no way we're going to get this up, but once you get your technique down, even I can do it.
So if you can do it,
Anybody can do it. That's the truth.
separating them by size.
Yeah, because I have to load them in the van a certain way. So you have to go in and reorganize this stuff to get it into the van. He just throws it helter-skelter.
A woman's work is never done.
That's right.